person sees a pup that's weak and down, lethargic eyes and coat turn brown. Parvovirus hits fast and hard, targets the gut, catches them off guard. Spread through feces, surfaces, and soil. It thrives with ease, begins to spoil. Vomiting, fever, and bloody stool. And unvaccinated pups, it's cruel. Parvo strikes, don't wait or guess. Time and care mean more, not less. Isolation, fluids, lab support. Call a vet, give a full report. Virus kills the lining cells where nutrient loss and pain dwells. Immune drops, bacteria spread. Without swift care, the pup could tread. Puppies face the highest risk, especially if shots were missed. Vaccination is the key to guard their health effectively. Parvo strikes, don't wait or guess. Time and care mean more, not less. Isolation, fluid, lab support. Call a vet, give a full report. Disinfect with strong chlorine base. Virus clings to every base. Recovery's long, prevention wise. Vet confirmed, care is how one tries. A person's care means being aware of warning signs and health repair. Seek a vet to diagnose with skill. Parvo's danger is very